potato chips.
Hi everyone, how are you today? I am very good. Today we will learn about potato chips. In the picture, you can see lots of potato chips. Are you ready to begin? Good. Let's learn some words.
Appetizer. An appetizer is the first course of a meal. It is a small amount of food. We eat appetizers before the main dish. Salad is a common appetizer. Spice. A spice is a part of a plant. When we put spices in food, it gives the food flavor. In the picture, you see garlic and chili. Garlic powder and chili powder are common spices.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Appetizer. Spice.
Now you will read a story. After you read it, you will take a quiz.
Do you know what potato chips are? A potato chip is a thin slice of potato. It is deep fried and very crunchy. We eat potato chips as an appetizer or snack. In fact, potato chips are the most popular snack in the world. There are various flavors of potato chips. You can find different spices and cheeses on chips. What is your favorite potato chip?
What is the cut of a potato chip? Slice. Stick. What is true about a potato chip? It is the most popular snack in the world. We bake it.
What is your favorite flavor of potato chip? I like original chips. This is the end of our class. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.